Well, there she is, boys. All back together. All the pieces in. Pieces welded up. And now we got a good mounting point that's not welded, which I thought was the more important part. The old one is over here. If I can loosen it up here. Had a bit of a time getting the C-clip out here that holds in this gear. Ended up kind of having to make my own ends for my snap ring pliers. But you use what you got. Now I think that bottom end is much better than this and this and that. Getting all those welded. So it was a catch-22. I think what we welded on this one here was worth the wait there. That was just a little piece of the side section that somehow got snapped out. I think it's when somebody tried to beat these out with a hammer, and I think they missed and hit right here and took a chunk out. But I just used a small socket on top and popped them out. It was a bit of a struggle first time around, but it came out well. Now all I gotta do is get it back in the machine. Alright, thanks for watching. Later.